The Bachelor program in Sustainable Management and Technology, this is a program that is targeted for students that want to support companies to transform towards sustainable companies, towards green companies, and support them across all functions. The study program itself consists of 5 parts. The first part is fundamentals of management, so basic concepts like controlling marketing. The second part is combining management with sustainability. An example here is circular economy. The third part, this is digital and quantitative competences. This is framing then the other parts. The fourth part is technology and natural science, like physics, chemistry. And the fifth part then is all the applications in the bachelor thesis or project studies, where the students work with companies on research projects.
In this program, you'll learn how to identify and formulate sustainable business models, how environmental technologies are developed and applied to substitute existing ones based on fossil fuels, and how existing business activities, such as supply chains or manufacturing activities, can be transformed in a sustainable way. This happens in close and personal interaction with an interdisciplinary group of professors from management and economics, but also natural sciences and engineering that have a shared passion for sustainability. The interdisciplinary knowledge gained in this program is relevant for helping established companies in transforming their business activities in a sustainable way. That is, for developing alternative, sustainable business models, greener supply chains, financing, technology development, or marketing activities. But also for founding your own green startup within the unique entrepreneurial ecosystem provided by the Technical University of Munich. You could also further deepen your knowledge by conducting the consecutive Master in Sustainable Management and Technology offered here at the TUM campus Straubing.
I chose the TUM in Straubing because the facilities for sustainable management are second to none. The quality of teaching is superb, but even more because I like the approach the TUM in Straubing takes to sustainable management. It's not about trying to squeeze sustainability into a traditional management program, but rather to establish new innovative management techniques and methods which are developed with sustainability in mind.
Honestly, I enjoy the subject of sustainable management. To study something you enjoy and are interested in is key. You will engage more with it and produce better work, but also because it fits in perfectly with my career aims.